You just found the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. This masterfully engineered Mercedes-Benz Sprinter is ready to become your partner in business or recreation. Versatile and spacious with available options such as active safety features, four-wheel drive, and diesel, this full-size van offers a premium quality platform for a host of possible applications. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: pre-collision system, keyless entry, heated mirrors, heated front seat, keyless start, remote engine start, backup camera, Bluetooth connection, rear-wheel drive, rain-sensing wipers. Feel confident and secure in this capable, well-engineered Sprinter. Treat yourself to a road test today. Our staff will give you an outstanding customer experience.